Breaking news. Russian media alleges MiG-31 intercepted and destroyed U.S. high-altitude drone above the Black Sea. Claims of an American high-altitude drone being shot down over the Black Sea have emerged from Russian media sources with strong ties to the nation's armed forces. Nevertheless, both the Russian Ministry of Defense and the U.S. Department of Defense, Pentagon, have yet to provide official verification of the incident. The alleged incident reportedly involved a MiG-31 interceptor aircraft intercepting and taking down the high-altitude U.S. drone in the skies above the Black Sea. While the Russian military-affiliated media outlets have been quick to report on the purported event, the lack of confirmation from official sources has left the situation shrouded in uncertainty. Given the sensitive nature of such incidents and the potential for diplomatic repercussions, both Russia and the United States are likely to proceed cautiously in their responses until more concrete evidence or statements are provided. The conflicting narratives surrounding the drone's fate underscore the challenges of navigating the complexities of modern geopolitical tensions and military operations in the region.